Hey there, foodies and deal hunters. Welcome back to our channel, where we make everyday tasks super simple and straightforward. Today, we're tackling something that's a total game changer for your next Burger King run: redeeming your gift card online in 2025. Whether you've got a holiday gift or a promo code burning a hole in your pocket, this quick guide will have you ordering Whoppers and fries in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, grab your device and head over to the official Burger King website. That's bk.com. Make sure it's the real deal to avoid any scams. Once you're there, look for the Account or Sign In button at the top of the page. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Just click on Create Account and follow the prompts to set one up. You'll need your email, a password, and maybe some basic info. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Gift Cards or My Wallet section. This is where the magic happens. Enter your gift card number and PIN, which you can find on the back of the card. Double check for accuracy to prevent any errors. Once added, your gift card balance will show up in your account. Next, start shopping. Browse the menu, add your favorite items to your cart, and head to checkout. During the payment process, select your gift card as the payment method. If you have any remaining balance, you can pay the rest with a credit card or other options. Pro tip: keep an eye out for any updates in 2025, as Burger King might have new features like app integration for even easier redemption. And just like that, you're done. Your order is on its way, and you've saved some cash. If you run into any issues, like an invalid code, check the Burger King help page or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. What's your go-to Burger King order? Drop it in the comments below. See you next time.